Hello, God creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Frances Hayes Jones for those who are new. Today we'll be making cauliflower fufu. I have a good friend of mine who knows how to make the best cauliflower fufu. So I went to her house so she could basically show me how to do it. So first you cut the cauliflower into pieces and you take the green stem out, the hard part. You cut them into pieces, you put it in a bowl, in a pot of water to get ready to boil, as you can see me doing right now. Cut it into sizable pieces, especially if your pot is small like mine. So it stays in the pot, it boils till it gets a little bit soft, like soft enough, not too saggy and stuff. After that, you drain the water out, as you can see we're doing right now. And right after you drain the water out, while it's hot, you can go right ahead and blend it. It's good for you to blend it while it's hot because it's easier. And cauliflower is a vegetable that's very mochi. It's very soft. So in order for you to make the fufu, you have to mix it with something that's a little bit thick or thickener. We'll be using psyllium whole hogs. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. She said she got it from Whole Foods. Other people use oatmeal flour, flax seeds. Once you blend it really good, you can use healthy thickener. But today we'll be using psyllium whole hogs. You can get it at Whole Foods again. So now she's blending it while it's hot. And right after blending it, you saw her fufu stick. She poured in the bowl, and of course her blender is small, so she got to do it bits and pieces. But hey, if you have a bigger blender, you do all at once. So after she blend all of them, now she's gonna take the thickener that we're gonna be using, which is right here. You can see psyllium whole hogs. I hope I'm pronouncing it right again. Now you're going to take the thickener and mix it. So you're going to keep mixing it while it's hot. And once this gets cold, it's so hard to mix. You will have to warm it up again. And that's something you don't want to do. So again, I cannot stress it enough. Please do it while it's hot. After adding the thickener to it, you see she starts stirring it little by little, and now it's time to beat this thing like your mama used to beat you when you get in trouble when you were younger, okay? So she's taking it easy for now, but you gotta keep doing it, and the more you whoop it, the thicker it gets. Is thick enough for me, so she kept beating it and adding more thickener to our satisfy. So now she share it individually in an aluminum foil over there. You put it in the refrigerator and lasts as long as you want. Whenever you want to eat, you grab one, you eat it with your soup or your stew, whatever stuff you have to eat with it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make a cauliflower fufu. So I will be eating it with my grains, which is Callaloo or Jamaican grains. I have my saltfish, my bell pepper, everything in the pot, and I just add my Callaloo. And the Callaloo is from our garden, fresh or natural or organic. And you put it on low steam. The only thing with the Callaloo is it produces a lot of water, so you got to be careful. And I'm eating it with grilled chicken. The fire was crazy that day. The wind was too much, so it burned some of my chicken. As you can see, it's very the fire is high. But there you go. I have my Callaloo grains with saltfish in it and my chicken, and I'm ready to go with my cauliflower fufu. All healthy, very delicious, on low carbs. Basically no carbs at all because cauliflower is vegetable. There you go. Dinner, lunch, whatever you want to do is served. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for allowing Chef Francis, which is myself. Thank you for allowing me to show you one of my low carbs, healthy meals. So hopefully you tried it. Again, you can eat it as lunch, dinner, or whatever. And for dinner, I don't eat the cauliflower. I just eat the callaloo and the chicken, as you can see. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.